In this tutorial, we'll walk through step by step how to summarize new Gorgias tickets into a key phrase using OpenAI. Then add the key phrase as a tag to the original ticket. This will help your business improve efficiency and speed, as support staff no longer need to manually review and tag each ticket. This leaves more time for them to focus on providing excellent customer service. Be sure to have the Mesa app added to your Shopify store. To get started quickly, Mesa offers a free plan or enjoy a 7-day free trial on any paid plan. Now, let's make this workflow. The first step is the Gorgias ticket created action. Follow the steps to add your login credentials. Then, edit the step configuration and change the interval value to match the frequency of new support tickets. Next, add a step with Gorgias using the Retrieve Ticket action. Click the variable selector for the ID field to add the matching value from the previous step. This ensures we're working on the support ticket that was just created. Let's add the OpenAI step now. Choose the prompt action for this step. Scroll down to the prompt field. This is where we ask the AI to summarize the message for us. For example, summarize this text in a single phrase using no more than 3 words. Then click the variable selector button, scroll to the Retrieve Ticket step, then find or use the search box to locate the body text variable. Add this to your prompt instructions for the AI. The AI engine will then use the message text from the new Gorgias ticket when deciding how to summarize it into a key phrase. Next, scroll to the Max Tokens field and change the value to 20. This will keep your tags to 20 characters or less. The rest of these fields can be left to their defaults. Click the Done button. Let's add the last step. Add Gorgias, then choose the Update Ticket action. On the ID field, click the variable selector and scroll or search for the ID variable of the original ticket created step. Now scroll down to the Tags section of this step. Click the Add Set button to reveal the name field. Open the variable selector for this field and expand the All Variables menu. Then click the OpenAI prompt step. Scroll to the variables under Prompt Choices and click the text variable to add it as the field value. When prompted, click the Use First Result button. The AI may return multiple results, so to streamline things, we're asking for just the first result back. Be sure to save your workflow and lastly, turn your workflow on. Congrats. That's it. Mesa also includes free onboarding, which means we can help personalize any template or set up a custom workflow for you. Visit us at getmesa.com/support to learn more. Or get Mesa from the Shopify App Store today and start automating the everyday challenges of running your Shopify store.